Hey, it's Pierre. I have an unboxing today of 6 of the new Prince squash rackets. Big thanks to squashgear.com for sending me this box of demos to take a look at. This is going to be just an unboxing videos of 6 of the new Prince rackets, and I will be hitting with these shortly and do a separate video about that. And I'm gonna need to send these demos on to someone else because someone else is waiting for them. So I won't be able to do an extended review of these, but I'll at least be able to give you a quick summary of what's what and the different weights and stuff. But for right now, let me get into this box and just show you the cosmetics of these. So Prince have done a big overhaul of their cosmetics, and instead of kind of your sort of black and red and black and blue and black, and there's a lot of black before. Now we've got, oh jeez, we've got a lot of color. We've got a lot of color going on. They've totally rethought the vibrancy of these things, and they're gonna stand out on court. So of these 6, there's actually 8 rackets in new Prince line, and I've got 6 of them here. The ones that I don't have are called the Venom Pro and the Venom Elite, but I have the other 6, which are broken into the Pro line and the Elite line. The Pro line are going to be the higher end models. They are the more expensive ones, and they have this Textreme material in them, which is supposed to be kind of lighter weight reinforcing material to give them extra reinforcement without adding much weight. That's the idea. Prince have had concerns about durability in the prior models, and I have no idea how these are going to perform in terms of durability. Right now we're just looking at them to see how good looking they are. So of the Pro models, we've got the Hyper Pro. So this has got black and light blue and kind of a lime green. Look, this one, by the way, has been strung by Squash Gear, so it's got a different string from the factory string. That one was called the Hyper Pro. We've got the Vortex Pro. This one has got a purple and sort of blue and black look. Vortex Pro. They'll have a similar Prince grip. And lastly, we've got the Phoenix Pro. It's got this sort of reddish orange and yellow and black color scheme. So these are all very brightly colored. Like I said, I'll go into the different specs and stringing patterns and stuff in the next video. The 3 other rackets are called the Phoenix Elite. So this is the lower end version of the Phoenix Pro, is the Phoenix Elite. It's got maintained sort of orange and reddish and black color scheme. These Elite ones are less expensive, and they don't have the Textreme material, I believe. Then the Vortex Elite is kind of, actually looks really cool, I think. White and light blue and yellow and black. Vortex Elite. There and there. And it actually looks a little different from the Vortex Pro, which is more of a purple shade. And finally we have the Hyper Elite. This has got a black, green color scheme compared to the Hyper Pro, which was the blue, light blue, black, and yellow one. So those are the 6 I have with me. I just wanted to show you what they look like, and make sure you're subscribed to Squash Source YouTube videos to get the follow-up of when I do the review of these over the next couple of days. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.